Hello everyone, this is a quick video here from the Sciaky factory. I am currently at the assembly line of the EBAM machines. Right here behind me you see a brand new machine about to be assembled, which is a VX110, and you see here one that is almost completed. The VX110 is a big 3D printer to 3D print large-scale parts in complex metals. Right here you have a machine with a chamber of 2.5 meter by 2.5 by 2.5 meter. That's very big. Inside you see an electron beam gun to be mounted on that automated XYZ motion system. Electron beam gun have a power of about 30 to 42 kilos depending of the configuration, and next to it here you can see the pumping capability, which is made of mechanical pump, diffusion pump, and sometimes we go beyond. We go with even adding a cryogenic system depending on the part. So 2.5 by 2.5 by 2.5 meter is quite a big chamber. That's the VX110, and right here I'm about to show you now even bigger. Bigger here is the VX150. The VX150 in inches, we have a volume of 120 inches by 150 by 170, which is even bigger. Right here we have my friend Scott operating the machine, right, on the proprietary software. What is very important on the VX machine is their closed loop control, guaranteeing the repeatability of the process when you make a large scale part. Behind me here is a smaller one, which is a VX68. A matter of fact, this one is set up as a electron beam welder. And if you want to see bigger than this machine here, look at this one here. We have one machine that has capability to print parts up to 7 meters long. Here we go. That's the VX300, and the VX300 you can print part up to 7 meters by 1.5 by 1.5. And right now all machines are vacuumed so that they are ready to make parts. This machine is about to print parts this morning. So here we are at the front of the machine here. This is a huge baby, definitely. Right behind me here is the loading unloading zone, and you can see here the multi-positioner to offer more rotary axes to be able to manufacture more complex shapes. And some of the part that we made right here, like this ring, is made of titanium, which is about a meter diameter on the outside. So that was Kamal from Sciaky in Chicago. Have a good day. See you soon. Bye.